It is nice to be back in the kitchen, especially when I've made a flask 5 days without fishing. Not that I'm complaining though, far from it, but nevertheless it is nice to be back on track after Tench. And the video that you saw at the start was yesterday evening at home. Beautiful sky over the valley, and the blog entry that goes with this video that you can check out in the comments box if you're watching on YouTube. The first point that I go through is home sweet home. And the second one is back where I left off on the piscatorial front. A very slow session, just on the right side of the line again with that one tench, but it was great to get out there and feeding a Canada goose and a coot. My granddaughter Naya is staying over with us this weekend, and Naya,
Yeah.
we're going out now, aren't we, me and you?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
We're going to get some worms and then we're going to go get McDonald's.
Well, maggots actually.
Yeah.
So how many, do you know what we're going to get? How much are we going to ask for? Do you know? 'Cause you've been with me once before, haven't you?
One bag of maggots.
One bag, yeah. 2 pints of mixed maggots. And then we're going to have some McDonald's. You looking forward to that?
Yeah.
Let's go.